Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are using Systeme.io and want to build your own online community, this video is for you. I will show you step by step how to create community inside Systeme.io and set it up properly and make it engaging for your audience. So hit the like button, subscribe if you are new here, and let's jump right into it. So why you just need to build a community? First, a community gives your audience a place to connect, ask questions, share ideas, and stay loyal to you. It is a great way to increase customer retention, build trust, and sell more of your products and coaching programs all in one place. And the best part with Systeme.io, it is super easy, no extra plugin or tools needed, everything it's built in. So here you can see what already in our Systeme.io dashboard, but when you are new here you will get something different kind of an interface. Here actually you can see it, this is the interface you will get. So here you just need to provide your mail address and click here, and the great thing is it is free forever and no credit card is actually required to create an account, so you can easily access all these features over that place. So now I just want to create my community, so you just need to understand what actually is the community feature in Systeme.io. Here let's go to the sales and assets. So here you will find out this community panel, you just need to click over here. So I have not created any community yet, so here you can see the message. Oops, it looks like that this is list is empty. So here, like, think of it like a simple private forum or group for your students or followers. It works great for courses, membership, coaching, masterminds, anything where you want people to interact and support each other. Your members can post questions, comment on each other's post, and you can moderate everything, and it's all integrated into your Systeme.io dashboard. Does it feel, is it amazing or not? So let's create our course or membership. All right, let's get into it and try it step by step setup. First of all, you will need a course or a membership area because your community is connected to this. So inside Systeme.io you just need to go to the product or sales and click to the course. Here you will find out these sales options, and under this you will find out a couple of things, but not here. Here you will find out this course option or physical product. Let's choose the courses, and here you just need to create your course. Just click to the add new courses and create a new courses. If you don't have one yet, add a name, description, and uploaded content like lessons or modules over that place. Let's give a name, that will be Mahim sample course, and URL path will be a, and then select this one, just click to the set, and you actually can see that our course has been created. Now I am going to add the community feature. Like, next let's add the community. Once your course is ready, open it up and go to the community tab. Just click this one and click to the view, and here actually you can see this course already been created. So here we have these options like previous, next. So I just want to create the community, so that for reason I'll come to the sales, sorry, I will come to the asset and I will click the communities, and now I will click to the create a community option. Just click over here and then provide the name of my community, that will be students. Then you can give the paths and just click to the save, and already been created. You can choose if you want to make it public or anyone in your course, or private with limited access, and then add a description so people know what actually is about. Once you save it, your community is ready to see. Just click over here, copy the home page URL and then paste it here, and here you can see that our community already been created. You can add any topic over that place, you can write something over that area. So now I just want to customize my community, so now let's make it more engaging by customizing. So just click over here, and inside your community setting you will find out different topics or categories. For example, let's click to the name here, and here actually you will find out the options. So setting, you just need to click over here setting, and here community tab I will make it public community. Just click to the same, and now it is really public, so anyone can access this one. So here you just need to create topics or categories. For example, let's add the topics over that place. Just click over here, add topics, and give a name that will be introductions, and then click to the add topic. So I will provide the path over here and click to the add. Okay, I just have to make it lowercase, and here actually you can see our introduction community has been created. So in this way you can create more, like create another one that will be questions, and here actually it will be done. Just click to the add question, and similarly I'm going to create another one, win and success, win and success, and similarly here, and just add it here. Add rules or guidelines. You can add rules or guidelines so people know how to behave. So here you have this option setting, and here actually you can add these things for your audience. Then you can pin important posts, like let's add a post over that place, write something, title will be I am new content creator. Here actually you can see, then the path will be this, topic will be introductions, and added content, I hope you already subscribe our YouTube channel and hit, and also hit the like button, thanks. Here I will just click to the add post, and it already been added as you can see, and here you can see the topic already been added with this one. Just click to the see more, and here actually you can see it. Now you can add the comment in your community. So if you want to note pin this one, you can pin it as an important, or pin to topic, pin to home. So when anyone will be visit here, let's go and let's try to visit from incognito window, and let's see what actually happened with this one, because it is now totally public. So here you can see it already be pinned and our home page. So now you can, or anyone can actually see it, comment it, or do anything here. Then we can do moderator post, like approve or delete anything if needed. Systeme.io keeps it simple, so you don't need to worry about complicated tech stuff. So now we are going to link it to our courses. So how we can do it? It is really easy. So here, make sure your student or members can find your community easily. Inside your course setting, add a link of a lesson that says join your community. So just copy this one, this thing, and then come to your courses here, click to the name, and you just need to add a module that will be join the community, and just click to the save. And here you just need to add your lecture. I'm going to add this lecture on description. Name will be link, enable comments. No, we just want to disable this one. Then I will click the template. You just need to be okay, then click to the save, and here you actually can see that already been added. So I will click to the edit. Once I click to the edit, here we can easily edit the thing, and we can add our link through this option. So I will remove all this thing probably, and just click to the OK, and here I will remove this one also, then remove this one. Okay, remove this one, remove this one. So you just need to be remove whole thing. Then you just need to be provide your link over here, or you can add the button over that place that add your in your community. Just click this one, and here I will paste the community link. Then open URL, open in a same window or a new window. No follow. You can change your things. You can change the button text also if you feel. You just need to be add here. You can join our community. That's enough. Just click to the save, and in this way you already connected your community to your links. Now you just need to keep it active always. The secret to success community is to keep it active. Here are a few tips. Post weekly updates or discussion topic. Host Q&A sessions and celebrate wins and shout out active members, then reply to post and encourage people to engage with each other. A dead community is worse than no community, so make it fun and valuable. Then I am going to give you an tips around these community things. Like, here are few bonus tips to grow your community. Like, offer it as a bonus, like join my course and get access to my private group. Use it for upsells, like once people inside you can offer higher ticket like coaching or premium content. Then gather feedback, like ask your community what they want next, if it is a gold mine for future product. So alright, that's how to create a community in Systeme.io. Super simple, no fuss. If you got value from this tutorial, please hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments, are you planning to launch your own community? I would love to hear what you are building. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video with another interesting topic.